Hey guys, this is Legend Killer here, and today we have another modding tutorial. Today we will be adding a new tool, and if I have time, we will see if we can get our block to generate in the world. So first what you're going to want to do is come down here and add a new item. So we're going to do public static item, and we're going to call it new pickaxe. And all I'm going to do here is make a pickaxe, and basically everything else is the exact same, you just change the names. So we'll do new item pickaxe, and in parentheses we'll do the ID, so we'll do 1001 since our last one was 1000. We'll do .set item name, and we'll set it to new pickaxe. And I think that's it. Oh, here we go. Alright. With tools, you have to do comma and do enum. Yeah, enum tool material dot, and then we're gonna create our new tool out of a new material, which we'll make here in a second. So we'll do in all caps new. Yeah, we'll just do new. So now to make that material, you'll come down here in this big long list of files and find enum tool material right here. Where'd it go? There it is. And open it up, and you'll see this list. I've already added one called copper, so we'll just come down here below that, and we'll do new in caps with parentheses, and we'll do in quotes what it's called. We'll call it new, and then outside parentheses, comma, and then so this is just the number of the material. So like wood is 0, stone is 1, iron is 2. Yeah. So next number, I'm not exactly sure what it does. I think it's like harvest rate or something like that. So we'll just do like 4. Next number is the number of uses, so we'll make ours in between iron and diamond, so we'll do like 1,000 uses. The next one is like its effectiveness against certain materials, so you need 8F to harvest obsidian, so we'll just do 7F, so it won't be able to harvest obsidian, but it'll be able to, whoops, not up there. It won't be able to harvest obsidian, but it'll be able to harvest everything else. And the next one is the speed, I think. So we'll just do like 2. Whoops, not up there again, down here. 2. And so you'll want to replace this old semicolon with a comma and put a semicolon after the new one that you created. Oh, here it is. So this number here is the harvest level. This is the max uses. This is the efficiency on its proper material. And this is the damage versus a entity. So, yep, now we have that created. You're going to save that, and you can close out of that, and you should now have no errors here. So, we'll come up here to add names, Modloader dot add name, and you'll do new pickaxe, and we'll call it new pickaxe, and add a semicolon. Don't need to register it, it's not a block. We need to add a texture though, so we can just copy our old one, paste it in, change this to new pickaxe, and change this to new pickaxe. So we've overridden the texture. Let's add a crafting recipe. So we can copy this, paste it down. So we're going to create a new pickaxe, and we'll only create one of them from the recipe. So basically you'll want the whole first line to be whatever our ingot is that we created, so we'll leave that there. But this line we only want to be sticks, so we're gonna have to make this a different character. So we'll do S for stick, and any spaces are blank spots in the crafting grid. So it'll be 3 on the top, 1 stick, and then 1 stick. So character value of X will be equal to new ingot, because that's the ingot that we created. And then so we'll do comma character dot value of, and then in single quotes we'll do S, and then comma, and it'll be item dot stick. Oops, item. There we go. All right. So we've added a recipe, and that's it. So we can save that. And I've gone ahead and created a new pickaxe. Yeah. So we'll take that, go into our folder, and put that in there. And MCP. We're gonna recompile and reobfuscate, and I'll be back when that's done. Okay, so we're back, and go into your reob folder, Minecraft, and find the mod tutorial. And since we changed the enum class, we'll need to take the PV class, and we'll drag them directly into our Minecraft.jar, and then we'll overwrite our old tutorial folder with our new one, and run Minecraft. Hopefully we don't get any errors. Log in. Okay. Open up our world. Whoa, alright. And then get a crafting bench, some sticks, and our new ingot. And oops. And here we go. We have our new pickaxe. Lagging a bit. Alright. So we can test its efficiency. It's pretty fast. It's not as fast as diamond, but it is faster than iron, and it has 1,000 uses. So here, hold on a sec. Let me check. Where is it? There we go. Yeah, I don't have time to do the generating the ore in this tutorial, so I'll get that in the next tutorial, and we'll see you later.